most important question is, how is your customer service? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick video just for some tips of what it's like to be like a beginner stylist and just how to go about it. So I first want to start by saying to make sure you have good customer service. I know I said that in the beginning of the video, but it's so important to have good customer service. You know what I'm saying? And then it's like you want to be respectful to other people. You know what I'm saying? So I see a lot of times where it'd be like new stylists are like demanding or like rude or like expecting people to come to only you. Like, first of all, when you're starting out, you have to realize that clients already have somebody they go to 9 times out of 1,000. So 9 times out of 10, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like you really have to respect that. First of all, you don't want to be on your business page cussing people out, be this, be that, just being like disrespectful on your business page. Like, I just personally, in my opinion, when you have a business of your own, you are the everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, everything you do on your business page, everyone looks at. You know what I'm saying? So I just think you shouldn't be on there cussing people out. If you want to cuss somebody out, do it in person or do it in private, to where it don't even get back to your clients. You know what I'm saying? Like, your clients shouldn't be seeing that at all. And then I have noticed, like, I'm 21. So I've noticed, like, people in my generation be scared to, like, talk on the phone. Like, bro, you gotta network. Because it'd be like, you gotta network. You have to network. Like, how do you think your name gonna get out there? You go to a beauty store and you go buy products. Be like, here's my business card. I do braids, I do this. Whatever you do, build a relationship with the person who's selling you products. You know what I'm saying? Like, you need to make sure you're building connects, like, with anybody, honey. If you work in a salon, connect with every stylist. You know what I'm saying? They could have a person who make you blow up, or whatever the case may be. Just make sure you're talking to people. Don't be afraid to communicate. Communication is key for life. Like, seriously, like, everything in life. If you communicate, I promise you're going to be fine. So you want to make sure you're reaching out to people and you're literally networking. Word of mouth is A1. That's why I stress customer service so much, because you just want to keep your name good. Like, long as your service and the quality of your work is so important. So important. When you have good quality work and good service, baby, you got it all. Realize that everybody in the world is not going to come to you. Everybody is not for you. Everybody cannot be your client, and that is okay. There's room for everybody, and I cannot stress that enough. Like, people think you got to be in competition with each other. No. Lady across the street do what she do, I do what I do. I don't care what she do. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show love at the end of the day, because we both winning. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's no room. Don't be afraid to ask somebody to be a model. Like, even like, I've only been doing hair for 3 years, and I just asked my friend this weekend, like, can you please be my model for Microlinks? Because this is something I want to do. This is something I've taken a class on. This is something I've been training for, and I don't have any clients for it. So what I'm gonna do is, you know, like, just me personally, you don't have to do this. I'm like, you buy the hair, I do it. The hair is expensive. The service is expensive, but it's well worth it. You know what I'm saying? But I need this content. You a free head. You know what I'm saying? So you get this hair. We work together and we do what we need to do. You know what I'm saying? So that's really how you build. Like, people are not always just gonna be like, oh, let me just do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes you gotta go on a limb and you really have to invest in yourself. That's really an investment. You know what I'm saying? You might look at it as at a loss, like, oh, I ain't getting no money from that. But at the end of the day, how many clients did that just bring in for me? You know what I'm saying? Or for you. Like, if you do some nails, some free nails or some discounted nails or something. I'm not saying like you have to not charge what you're worth, but you know, sometimes you gotta make a sacrifice. You gotta invest in yourself for you to grow. Like, nothing will ever be easy. Like, nothing will ever be easy. You want to make sure you work for everything you have. I don't care who said what to you. Like, anything worth having is not free. I don't care what nobody say, okay? But yeah, so like, I did want this video to be fairly quick, so I hope that helps somebody out. I just want y'all to know that God loves you. I love you. Be kind to people. Be kind to people. People are not, everyone's not gonna like you, number one, and that's perfectly fine. The people who are supposed to be in your life will be in your life. Everybody cannot be your client. That's perfectly fine. The people who are supposed to be your clients will be. You know what I'm saying? You might want such and such to come get their hair done, but you really don't. So just, you know, just be patient, go with the flow. The process is well worth it. I hope you are doing what you love. I hope you are doing what you love. Make sure that if you're in this industry that you love it, because if you don't love it, it will show that you don't love it. So just make sure that you are doing this because you are passionate about it, because this is your purpose. And yeah, be true to yourself, be true to people, just be honest, honey. Come in there like every day is the best day. Like, I'm about to let everybody in the share. Everybody that comes in here, you know, like, don't show nobody. Everybody has bad days, but you don't gotta show nobody you got bad days. My clients will never know unless I tell them that I'm having a bad day. Never. And they shouldn't know. They shouldn't know unless y'all like friends, which a lot of your clients like really shouldn't be your friends, because like you tell someone like, I'm tired, honey, they might, oh, she too tired to do my hair. You know, different people take things different ways. So just, everybody is not your friend. Not even just in this industry, in this life. Everybody's not your friend. You can't trust everybody. And it is what it is. So I hope this video helped somebody. I want to thank you guys so much every day. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. If you like stuff like this, please make sure you comment and turn on my post notifications, because there will be more. Thank you guys for watching.